Hello, everyone. Good morning. We're going to pick a letter and then we're going to do calendar, okay? So let's do our rule song first. Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Great work. Calm body. Let's give ourselves a squeeze. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Ready? Nice job. I feel calmer. Do you? I feel good. All right, so let's pick a letter. I want to do this letter today. It's a V. Big V, little v. V says the. Let's look. Ooh, do you know what that is? It's a vacuum. It cleans the floors. Vacuum starts with V. Good. This is an instrument. What is this instrument called? Can you try to take a guess? It starts with a V. Violin. The dog is playing the violin. That's silly. Dogs can't play violins. Okay. This is a volcano. It looks like they made a volcano. Oh no, all the little V's came out. Looks like lava. All right, it looks like the man, the cat, the girl, the boy, and the dog are riding in a van. Van. There they go. They look happy to ride in a van, right? It's nice outside. All right, nice job with the letter V. What letter did we do? V. Can you think of one of the words that we saw? I can think of violin, right? Volcano, van. Did you come up with one of those words? That was good. Oh, and vacuum too, remember? All right, let's go back. Let's do the days of the week first. Let's set up calendar. All right, let's make our calendar. Let's do the days of the week. Are you ready? All right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is what? Friday. Good. Can you tell me Friday? Friday. Great job. It is Friday. Are you excited? It's Friday? I am. All right. So the days of the week are all done. Let's do the months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Great. The month is called May, okay? M-A-Y is May. Nice. I can't believe it's been May for how many days? 8 days. Let's do our counting so we can count. Ready? Let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. What number is that? 8. 8 looks like this. Nice job. Can you try to write an 8? Let's see. Let me write an 8. Ready? Down and around and close the gate. That's the way you make an 8. That's a Miss Jess saying, which I really like. That one's a little sideways, but that's okay. Let's make 8 dots. Can you help me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 8 dots. Nice. Good work, you guys. All right. Let's go this way. Let's fill in the missing day of the week and the missing number, since we already did that. Wednesday, Thursday, today is Friday. Let's fill it in. Good. 6, 7, what comes next? 8. That's great. Okay. I wanted to talk about one more special day today, okay? Or it's not a special day today, but let's look at the calendar. Tomorrow's the 9th. Sunday is the 10th. Look at this rose. It's Mother's Day on Sunday. I know your moms have been working so hard with you. Mother's Day is when you show that you love Mom. You can say, I love you, give them a hug. I did, or my daughters did this for me. It says, Happy Mother's Day, and it's a picture. I sent this in an email if you want to color this, if you have a printer for your mom. If you don't have a printer, you can say, I love you, Mom. Give Mom a hug. It's a really important day. Mother's Day. Yay. I'm a mom too, so I like Mother's Day. All right. Great job, you guys. So we did the days of the week, right? We did the months of the year. We did the counting. We talked about Mother's Day. Now let's do the weather. Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? All right, outside Miss Amanda's window. I'm going to make sure I get this right. Okay. I see that the weather is sunny. The weather today, May 8th, is sunny. Let's put it up here. I like when it's sunny out, and it's sunny, and I would say, I think it's a little warm today. Let's look at our weather chart, weather graph, and we are going to put another day, color it yellow, under or above sunny. 1, 2, 3, we've had 4 sunny days. I'm going to color that in. What color am I using? Yellow. Wow, great. Let's see what the graph looks like. We've had the most sunny days in May. Good job. All right, let's do the seasons next, okay? 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Good. The season is what? Can you tell me what season it is? It's spring. Good. You can touch it on the screen even. Spring. Awesome. All right, let's say the whole date, okay? You help me say it. Today is Friday. What's the month? May. What's the number? 8th. 2020, right? The weather is sunny and the season is spring. Good. Don't forget, Mother's Day is Sunday, right? Happy Mother's Day. Nice job, you guys. I'm going to try to do one more video today, so I'll post that this afternoon. Have a great day. I'm proud of you guys. I miss you guys. I'm sending a heart and a hug. Miss you a lot. Bye.